In this video, I'm going to show you
can easily
how
send application on WhatsApp.
Be sure to watch the video to the very
so you
end.
don't make any mistakes.
And of course, do not forget to like this
and
video.
subscribe to my channel.
Thanks, guys.
So,
let's get started. And the first
Open
off,
up WhatsApp app then. Open up some conversation in which you would like to send application. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. And the easiest way to send application is the top edge of that blast. And then select location. It may ask you to allow or not to use your location. You can top that allow once or allow while using app. After that, it will automatically detect your current location. And from here, if you top it, send your current location, it will send it to a conversation. Also, from here, we can search for some location. It allows us to choose any of our nearby places. We can just in this way send some nearby location. And also, in the same way, we can search for allocation using search. In this way. However, using WhatsApp app directly, we are not able to put it being on map and then send it to our friend on WhatsApp. If you need to manually put it being on I recommend you to use Google Maps. We can just open up that app, and after that, we'll be able to search for some specific place on the map. Then we can just put our pin at that place. And then, if we drag it, we'll find a share option. We can tap on it and top add copy. To copy the link to this particular location to the clipboard. After that, we'll be able to go to a conversation on WhatsApp. And all you have to do to allocation is just paste that URL and then hit a send. And if someone follows this link, Google Maps will open on both mobile device and computers.